So, if it fits your macros, or IIFYM, is one of the best things that ever came to the fitness industry. If you've never heard of IIFYM, it's basically where you have your macronutrient distribution and you eat whatever macronutrients you want, as in whatever foods you want, and as long as they fit into your calorie and macro goals, you will have your respective weight loss. So, let's say, for example, somebody has a goal of losing weight, and for their macro goals it spits out that they need to eat 300 grams of carbs, 200 grams of protein, and 100 grams of fat every single day. That's a decent amount of calories. I don't know off the top of my head how many, but basically what you would do then is pick foods that would fit these specific macronutrients. So let's say, I'm eating a bowl of cereal right now with some protein powder and some milk in it. That's probably like, I'd say, 50 grams of carbs. So 50 grams of carbs right there. It's probably got like 20 grams of protein and very minimal fat, maybe like 5 grams of fat. So that meal would literally cut out those specific macronutrients. And the really cool thing about this is it's really the 80-20 rule of diet, as in if most of your food is pretty healthy, pretty wholesome, pretty good, minimally processed, you're going to feel pretty good most of the time. Like this food right now, I'm having a little bit of milk, that's pretty solid. I'm having some protein powder with it, that's pretty solid. The cereal, obviously it's sugary, it's probably not the best, but tastes really good. I'm enjoying it, and I know I'm going to get some decent energy from this for my workout. There's not that much fiber in it, which is something I try not to do before workouts. So minimal fiber, because you don't want a bunch of fiber bulk sitting in your stomach and intestines to mess with you when you're working out. And if you've never heard of If It Fits Your Macros, IIFYM, definitely look that up. To get started, you can actually just download MyFitnessPal, and then that allow you to plug in your food, see all the macronutrient distributions for the day, and excuse me, from there you can. Where's I going with this? MyFitnessPal. Oh, and then you can just type macronutrient distribution online calculator, and it should come up for you. But in all reality, what I do and what I would recommend is to find your base level of calories. So go to the NIH body weight planner on Google, type that in. It will give you an exact, for the most part, calorie calculator goal, depending on how active you are and what you're into. And from there, you can find the calories you need, and then literally find how much protein you need. For most people, 0.82 grams per pound of body weight is a good start for protein. So if you weigh 100 pounds, 82 grams of protein is what you should be eating. Find out for yourself. And then you have your calories, hit your protein every day, and then whatever you want to eat, let it go wild. That's what I've done for so many years. I don't do that anymore. I don't track it all anymore. But that was a large portion of my life. I actually would count on my calculator app in my phone. If I had a meal that's roughly 500 calories and I knew it had roughly 40 grams of protein, I'd make the mental note of 40 grams of protein, literally add 400 into my calculator. And then if I had dinner later that was 1,000 calories with roughly 60 grams of protein, I'd mentally note, okay, now I have 100 grams of protein, I'm getting close to my goal. And now I'm up to 1,600 calories. I can't remember what I was starting at. But it really is that simple, guys. It really is that simple. If you've never calculated calories, definitely do it for at least 2 weeks. You do not need to do it for more than 2 weeks. The only reason you should count calories is just so you can see all the crazy calories of all the different foods, and to know for yourself that a Pop-Tart, 2 Pop-Tarts is actually 400 calories, which is the equivalent to eating 13 cups of broccoli. That's really the biggest thing with counting calories, to help you realize the abundance of nutrients in the foods.